let's get started into this video. Woo!
Go ask mommy nice if she can open up the door. Mama. Having fun exploring things is what you came in for. Living, laughing, loving, cause we learning every minute. Doing alphabets and now we counting all the digits. Cause we're hanging with Harper. Yeah, we're hanging with Harper. Cause we're hanging with Harper. Cause we're hanging with Harper today.
Hanging with Harper. So I'm gonna get 2 paper towels and put one in each shoe so I don't get it in my shoes. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation that matches my skin color on the spine. Now I'm only gonna dab once on the shoe. My dab. We were getting ready, and there was a cloud in the sky. No cloud in the sky. Randomness, peace, thunder, mystery of day. Yes, does anyone know? Welcome, guys. I just finished one shoe. I'm about to finish the other one, and I'll show you what I'm done. Woo! Guys, I just finished my ballet shoes. The perfect match. If you want to know where I got this foundation for, I got this from Natural Fish Liquid Foundation by Kiss Cliff 422 Sierra.